The top 5 business technology news stories from the past week. Number 5. Japan's population has decreased by almost 800,000 people in the last year. This is the first time that every prefecture has decreased. Japan's prime minister even calls this trend a crisis. Deaths outpace births over 2 to 1, and this marks 14 straight years with lowering population. The population decline has not started to drastically impact society yet, but it is feared to see impacts in the coming years if the trend isn't reversed. Number 4. Worldcoin, a new cryptocurrency, wants to scan your eyes to ensure you are a real human. The crypto startup has orbs around the world where people can line up to get their eyes scanned. This process will help to distinguish humans from AI. Presently, over 2 million individuals have verified their world IDs across 30 different countries. The startup was founded by Sam Altman, the current CEO of OpenAI, which brought the world ChatGPT. Number 3. Amazon announced the construction of a facility to support its Kuiper satellites. Amazon aims to launch up to 80 satellites per month within a few years to create their Kuiper constellation. The satellites will provide internet connectivity and compete with SpaceX and OneWeb. The satellites will be put into space by Blue Origin, the company Amazon founder Jeff Bezos started. Number 2. TikTok is getting ready to launch its own e-commerce business, selling made-in-China products to consumers. Users will be able to shop directly from lives, videos, and creator or brand profiles. What's different about this marketplace is that TikTok will be the one purchasing, storing, and distributing the products. Number 1. Researchers were able to transplant cells into the brains of mice. They found that not only did the new cells compete with and replace unhealthy cells, but aged ones as well. This research could pave the way for treatments for conditions such as ALS, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, autism, and schizophrenia.